Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how to download, install and run HiveMQ Edge software in the Windows system. Okay, previously we have covered that how to run HiveMQ Edge in the Docker. Now instead of Docker we will directly run our HiveMQ Edge in the Windows system. So for that you have to just copy this link. You have to open this link in the new tab and it will start downloading the HiveMQ Edge software. Okay, now let's wait until our download is done. Okay, we have successfully downloaded the HiveMQ Edge full version, which is 2025.16. Now what I'll do is I will copy this on my desktop and we will extract that here. Okay, and here is the extracted HiveMQ Edge folder. Now we will open this folder and here you can see we have the bin folder available. Now our main file will be available in the bin folder. You have to open this bin folder and here you can see two files. Run.bat, which is our Windows batch file to execute the HiveMQ Edge software, or you can say to start the HiveMQ Edge software, and this is the run.sh file. We can use this run.sh in the Linux operating system. Okay, so if you are using Raspberry Pi, Orange Pi, Banana Pi or any other single board computer with the Linux operating system, then you have to use this run.sh. For Linux operating system, I have provided the command here to install the Java runtime version 21. Okay, how to add a repository and everything. So we will see that in the future video, but this is just a hint that if you are working in the Raspberry Pi or any other Linux board, then here is the process. Now what we will do is we will run this run.bat file to start our HiveMQ Edge software. Either you can double click here to start it, or you can open that in the terminal and you can start it. So we will type run.bat and then we will hit enter. Now here you can see started MQTT TCP listener on the address of my localhost and port 1883. So HiveMQ Edge is already working as MQTT broker, okay, and it is available on my localhost and port number 1883, and HiveMQ Edge web server is available on port 8080. Okay, so I hope this two line is clear. Now if you want to connect with the broker, then you can open the MQTT Explorer software or any other MQTT client software, and instead of Mosquito, I will rename it to HiveMQ, and as per this information, it is running on my localhost port 1883. So here is my localhost IP address and port 1883. I'll press on connect and here you can see we are connected. So MQTT broker is running absolutely fine. Now we will check the web server. So for the web server, we have to use port 8080. So I'll open this in the browser 127.0.0.1 colon 8080. And here you can see HiveMQ Edge software is running in the browser. Now if you are logged out, okay, then you have to use the username admin and the password HiveMQ. So this is the default password for this HiveMQ Edge software. Now here you can see we have every details available here, and here we have the protocol adapter section, MQTT bridge section, workspace section, and here is the home. We will see these things in the detail that how you can configure the Modbus protocol adapter, backnet protocol adapter, okay, and then opc-ua protocol adapter, everything. Okay, also they have provided the database protocol adapter to connect with the PostgreSQL, MySQL and MS SQL. So I will explore this and we will see that in the future videos. I hope that is clear that how you can start the HiveMQ Edge software in the Windows machine, and if it is throw any error, okay, while installing it, then it means that either your port 1883 is in the use, either your port 8080 in the use, or Java is not installed. So there are three issues while installing this HiveMQ Edge software. So based on the error, you just have to extract the detail that it is saying that Java is not installed, then you have to install the Java. Okay, if port 8080 in the use by some other application, then you have to close that application. And if your system have the Mosquito broker install or any other MQTT broker install which is consuming the port 1883, then you have to stop those services to successfully run the HiveMQ Edge software. Okay, and here you can see we have total 10 protocol adapter: Modbus TCP, file, simulation, database, ADS, opc-ua, MT Connect, Ethernet IP, S7, and HTTPS over TCP. If you want to install the backnet adapter as well, then we will see that in the future videos, that how you can install the backnet protocol adapter in the HiveMQ Edge. Because here you can see for every protocol adapter we have the option create new connection, but for the backnet we don't have that option. Because when you install this HiveMQ Edge, or when you download and run this HiveMQ Edge, this backnet protocol adapter is not default, so you have to install that separately. So that thing we are going to cover in the future videos. But I hope that's clear, that how you can set up your HiveMQ Edge software in the Windows system. So we'll see in the future that how to install the backnet adapter, how to download, run and install HiveMQ Edge in the Raspberry Pi or any other single board computer. And then we will go with the protocol adapter and the MQTT bridge. So I have created 2 videos, but that is for the older version of the HiveMQ Edge, so maybe it will not work for the new version. So let's meet in the future videos. Okay, and in the future we will cover more detail about this HiveMQ Edge software. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.